Hey, it's Patrick from Possum Bourne Motorsport, and today we're going to talk about this amazing 2017 Ford Focus RS. Jason brought this vehicle into us with a few of tasteful exterior modifications, such as the splitters in the front and the rear, side skirts. We've got factory 18-inch wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport tires. We have a lot of nice carbon fiber accents, such as on the door handles, and a really high-end carbon fiber steering wheel, which makes the car stand out from its look. Performance-wise, it was completely standard, but that's why Jason came into us. This car is one of many that looks really cool with cool colors. It still is very mild from the factory, and Jason really wanted to improve the sound and the performance to get it up to the next level. So on the intake side, we fitted a Cobb carbon fiber Redline intake kit, which looks really good, high quality carbon fiber. We've got a Cobb front mount intercooler kit as well to go with it. And then on the exhaust side, we have a Scorpian Downpipe matched up to an Invidia Q300 catback exhaust. As this vehicle will now perform more, we're going to increase the boost. We've also changed the spark plugs to a step colder NGK spark plugs and gapped them down. And to reduce the engine movement, we fitted a Cobb rear engine mount to keep that all a bit stiffer and more direct. Improvements we've made on the intake side not only improve the sound experience, but it also improves the intake airflow into the engine. The better intercooler keeps the air cooler, which means there's more oxygen, more power. And on the exhaust side, we have increased the diameter, increased the flow, so both sides are evenly improved and we can gain that extra power. Now that we've got all these improved components installed to the vehicle, we want to listen to how it sounds. So let's get it started. So now that we're ready and got all the parts fitted, we're ready for tuning. So let's see how it goes and how much power it makes on the dyno. On the road, the Focus RS is a really nice, torquey vehicle that makes a good amount of power, pulls you nice out of each corner. And the later version, like this Mk3 with the four-wheel drive system, has a lot better traction as well. So it is really nice and fast around the back roads. yeah, having all these modifications installed, the car really livelies up and it gets a lot more interesting to drive. There's good intake and exhaust noises, plus we have increased power across the whole RPM range. So a lot of fun and very enjoyable for Jason. Thank you again for dropping your car into PBMS and letting us perform this upgrade package for you.